Crossrail as a project's come a long way for 2.5 years, from only one test train being out in the central operating section, working within one zone to build up that confidence. This was also being undertaken in parallel of construction activities throughout the rest of the central operating section. So slowly building up that confidence in the system, building up the speed of the test trains themselves, the use and sign off of the driver modes in parallel of the signalling system, where the trains can be run in automatic mode, running from Abbeywood to Paddington Station. Essentially now we're running timetables with interfaces across the fringes of the Great Eastern Main Line and the Great Western Main Line. The interfaces within the stations that have the platform screen door functionality. For me, it's a massive step forward from where we were 2.5 years ago. And essentially, as we step away from a construction rule book where we're restricted to the limitations of test, having to utilise specific governance in place for test trains to actually move, we're now stepping into what is deemed an operational railway. So from last year, we've gone from close headway of 2 units. We're now afforded quite recently to step up to a total of 6 trains on a timetable movement, all running under ARS, which is automatic route setting. It will predefine the preferred end route of a test train. So we utilise it out on the fringes, be it the Great Eastern or Great Western Main Line. Additionally, for stabling turnback moves within the central operating section. This is put in place for us to mimic an actual timetable service. So with TR2 testing, it's actually a software deployment of the signalling system, and that's afforded us to undertake some of our most complex interface testing. A lot of the signalling testing within TR2 catchment to take us into SIDT has been undertaken. SIDT is System Integration Dynamic Testing, and we're looking to undertake this from the 3rd of December. We're going to be looking to run up to at least 8 Class 345s on timetable runs, where we'll be looking to test up to 16 hours a day, literally mimicking what an operational railway service would be. In regards to the difference between this and DT, as it were, the big step forward that we are taking is that we are going to be utilising the end user as the traffic manager position, so they will actually be routing the test trains throughout the central operating section during this period. Like with any operational rail, there's an element of maintenance works that needs to be undertaken. During this period, they'll be going out to service the infrastructure to make sure that we're kept with that assurance to ensure that we can keep running of the trains.